In this video, I'll show you how to set up the Wi-Fi of your Canon Pixma MG3620. Before starting, make sure that the printer is turned on, and you'll have to keep press and hold the Wi-Fi button until you see the small green light beside the power button flashing. Then you can release the Wi-Fi button. Next step, you're gonna press the color button that is located down below once, and then press once the Wi-Fi button. If you want to know if you did all these steps correctly, the Wi-Fi light, the blue light right beside the button, should flash now. Next step is to download the Canon Print Inkjet Selfie app. It's available for free on the Google Play or the App Store, depending which device you have. Now go on your Android or Apple device, go into the Wi-Fi settings and connect yourself to your Canon printer. Open the app that you just downloaded and you should get this screen. Tap on the search button. Then if you see this screen appearing, just press OK. On the next step, they will ask to select your Wi-Fi network. It's the one that you're using at home or at the office if you're there. Type the password of your Wi-Fi network and then press the OK button. It will then take a few seconds or even a minute. Just press the OK button when everything is done. On the next page, you'll have to select your Canon printer. You should see Canon MG3620 series. You'll get this screen after a few seconds, and you can press the X button on the top right, or sometimes you can also get a cancel button on the lower side. Press on it. And you're done. Your printer is now connected to the Wi-Fi and you'll be able to use it wirelessly. You can press on the lower side of the screen your Canon printer and access information about it. I really hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and even leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.